Access advanced settings to enhance your employee management capabilities. Confirm all selections and apply the comprehensive filter for more accurate employee insights. Preview the filtered employee list to assess your selections and prepare for further actions. Select a specific employee profile to dive deeper into individual details and history. Navigate to additional actions available for the selected employee. Manage employee documents effectively, ensuring accurate and up-to-date records. Modify time-related data for the employee, maintaining precise records for payroll. Adjust labour rates to reflect current project demands and budget considerations. Override default allowances to customise payment structures according to project needs. Manage fuel-related expenses for drivers efficiently, ensuring accurate cost tracking. Input specific data related to fuel expenses to maintain accurate financial records. Access additional options for fuel expense management. Provide further details related to fuel tracking to ensure comprehensive records. Manage multiple allowances in one go, streamlining your payroll process. Adjust phone allowance as needed, ensuring employees are compensated fairly for their expenses. Enter the necessary allowance data to ensure proper compensation management. Specify quantity or rate for phone allowance, ensuring accurate financial tracking. Explore additional allowance options for comprehensive employee compensation.